Whether you're a professional contractor or serious DIYer, nobody likes it when their floors are scratched. Not too long ago, you didn't have too many options to cover your floors. You either had the choice between cardboard, paper, or drop cloth sheet. Now, there's Boss Man, and I'd like to introduce you to some of its features and benefits. Boss Man is a real time saver. It's lightweight and easy to apply. It has no problem sticking to most surfaces, from hardwood to carpet. Its slip-resistant backing leaves no residue. Not only is Boss Man durable, it's 100% waterproof. Water, mud, and paint won't permeate through and damage your floor. The great thing about Boss Man is that you can clean it and reuse it. All you have to do is fold it, roll it, and store it away for your next job. For more information, visit bossmanprotects.com. The Boss has you covered.